and especially for you and I, who live inside. The mountaineers gathered timber piled high, in which to take our long, traveling many miles, knowing they get here. When they got here, all exhausted, on the roof leaks, they got started. And now when the rain comes, we can be thankful. When the mountaineers saw that everything fit, they were glad and so they took off. Thought we were due for a change or two around this place. When they get back, they're all mixed up with no one to stay with. The village used to be all one really needs, nice filled with hundreds and hundreds of chemicals that mostly surround you. You wish to flee, but it's not like you, so listen to me, listen to me. Oh, and when the morning comes, we will step outside. We will not find another man inside. We like the newness of all that has grown in our garden, struggling for so long. Whenever I was a child,